using My Legion Secret to create sales from the emails that this platform sends to us. Hey, I'm Jeff. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're the first time around to visit with us. We are looking at the platform known as My Legion Secret and how it can work for you as an email platform to produce sales from the leads that they give you. The leads that My Legion Secret gives you comes in at 100 per day, unless you, as an affiliate, have sold to somebody else the My Legion Secret platform, and then you'll get another 100 bonus leads per day. So when you first start out, it's a $60 investment. You're going to have $30 for admin fees and $30 for your first month. And then after that, it continues to be at $30 a month. Break that down. That's $1 a day for basically 30 days in a month average. So 3,000 leads per month at $1 a day. That's not too shabby. If you get your bonus at 200, then you're talking about 6,000 leads. So still $1 a day, but you're breaking that down to where it's 50 cents per lead, right? So what do these leads like to see? What kind of leads are these? These are mostly make money online style leads. These are people that are looking for ways to utilize the internet to make an income. And just to give you an idea where these leads come from, real quick, this is the last email we sent out. So far, I've had 187 clicks on it. This one down here did a little better at 424. This one's only less than 24 hours old. But we'll go ahead and take a look at it. And as you can see, all the American flags on there indicating all these leads are coming from the United States. There's one from Canada. There's one from Australia. See if we get another one. Usually we have a Great Britain. There's an other. So we do get the occasional other in there. That's probably in Australia there. And here's a Great Britain or England. So these are all tier 1 English speaking leads. So you don't have to worry about the idea that you're getting leads from somewhere that wouldn't understand what your email says to begin with. And they are leads that are coming from the Make Money Online background, so that when you send your emails out, and we're going to get ready to send one here in just a moment, we want to understand that they're already on an email list. So it's better to just go ahead and get them over to your sales page for whatever you are selling to them through the email. Now for me, I use ClickBank. We'll let that load here real quick. And let me get logged in. All right, here we are in the back office of ClickBank, and we are looking at February 1st through the 15th when this video is being recorded. And you can see that we've had 2 sales this month at $12.51 for both of them. So we're looking at a total of $25.02 so far for February. So this last week, basically right now with the accounts that I have on My Legion Secret, I have 2 accounts. I think this one's my larger account. Let me check that real quick. Yeah, this is my larger account with 93,600 email leads in it, built up over the course of about 4 years to this account. Okay. And then I have a second account with, I think, somewhere in the 43, 44,000 leads on it. So we're not talking about making huge amounts of money here with this particular product. $12.51 is what we're doing, and this is these are social online job applications is basically what they are. So when somebody buys these, if they want to continue to get the information, I think there's a monthly membership, but I haven't seen any rebill on this one, so it might be just a one-time fee of $12.51, or that's $20 and we get $12.51 out of it. And then you also got to look at the mailing or the affiliate links on your side if you have commissions for those. I've had a total of $349 lifetime with this account. And I've had a little bit extra more over on the other account as well, where we've sold out some affiliates. You get paid at the level 1, $5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 is their multi-levels. And most of mine are all the $5. Every now and then we'll pop a $4 one, but most of mine all come in at the $5. So between the two accounts of My Lead Gen Secret and the ClickBank product that we sell, go ahead and take you over to that and show you that real quick. Go to Affiliate Marketplace, we'll go to eBusiness, and we'll come down a couple of scrolls here, and it's get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And they've been on ClickBank for at least 12 years. That probably needs to be updated because I've been with them for 3 or 4 years, and I know that was there. So they've been on there they've had a good long run to make money online traffic, and it's social media based. So I go to the View Affiliate page, and if you decide to go with this product to promote, one thing you will want to do when you come into it is scroll down just a little bit and look for this 10% commission bump. Throw your email in there, and they'll give you a little extra commission for your sale. I think it bumps it up to 75% commissions. So we then will hit email swipes, and that's all we do is copy and paste. That's how simple this system is. So I've actually been through my 20 days since I restarted on the system. I think I'm working on email 4 or 5. I think we did 4 last night. So 5 is going to be you missed our appointment, and we're going to come into the My Lead Gen Secret, and I'm going to go to mailing system. I'm going to see if I've timed out yet. Nope, I've still got 8 minutes left before I can go ahead and mail. So by the time this video is done, I'll be able to go ahead and mail. But all I'm doing is taking the email and copying and pasting it into the body. Here you are able to email once every 23 hours. All right, so if I find the email up here in emails that I've already sent, come down here, RE, missed your appointment. It's right there. Sometimes I like to put little characters out on the ends of these just to kind of make them stand out in somebody's inbox a little bit more. You can't get too fancy. You can't put emojis and things like that in. The system will not let you do that. All I have to do is hit load, come down here. The email's all loaded up. I can look at it and make any tweaks that I might want to make. I would hit perfect timing, and that way the emails get to their inbox when they're more likely to see it. And then we would hit send or preview if you want to preview it, and then send, and you are good to go. It's just that quick and easy. Now, the other part of this email I want to bring your attention to is in the PS right here. Ready for unlimited $7 commissions? If so, click here for the how-to. That link is going to take you over to the OLSP system, which I'll give it just a second to load up here. And total earnings with OLSP, I have earned $151. And if we come down here for February, I've had 2 sales there also at $7 each, so $14 has been made. And I will tell you the OLSP, once you are a paid member at $7, if somebody clicks your link, goes through, and then later decides to upgrade to any of the other packages or coaching in OLSP, you are going to get a commission from that too, regardless of whether you did it or yourself or not. I go over here to the dashboard. We can meet Wayne Crow, who's the owner of OLSP. They are going through a significant reboot of the website and of the products that they're going to have available. But the mega link is the one link that you need to have to get to put eyeballs in front of for people to come into the system. And if they decide to work with any of the other products, again, or any coaching or any traffic purchases within the system, then you would get credit for that as well. So there is weekly, if not 2 or 3 times a week sometimes, like last week. There's a lot of live training going on. There'll probably be some more live training going on as they roll out the new website and get OLSP up and running again for 2026. This one looks like it's how to get floods of converting traffic even if you've been stuck for months. So if you're interested in that, I will have a link down in the description area to join that training. Okay. and come back over here to the system. I still got 4 minutes left before I can mail this out, and we will let you go from there. I just wanted to bring you in to look at this system, to understand you've got to remain consistent with it. You've got to remain vigilant with it. Try not to miss a day of actually mailing out. And like I said, we're using the email swipes off of this particular product that is getting us the $12.51 in our sales there. We've had 2 so far for this month. I can say on average with the accounts that I have, 1 a week is about right, and about the same for OLSP. OLSP converts at about 1 a week with these leads as well. Now, you being a new person, brand new coming into My Lead Gen Secret, you're building up your leads. You're only going to have 100 leads to start with, and it's going to build every day. 100, 100, 100, and keeps going. Sure, you don't have as many leads as I do, but I have found, and this is for educational purposes only, no guarantees, just telling you what's worked for me. I have found that after a couple months, you might get something before then, especially if you're working on the PSs with a good, strong product that converts like the OLSP system does. You may get a sale there before you get a sale on the ClickBank product, but you may end up with a ClickBank product first. You just don't know. It depends on how many leads and a little bit of luck going through the system. And you may find that, later down the road, you might get a couple of sales because maybe somebody went back through their emails and found your email, from a month ago and they decided to go ahead and purchase. You never know. Those, email can go right off the top, or it can go later down the road. That's what we love about email marketing. And the My Lead Gen Secret system is here to help you if you have struggled with generating leads for yourself, for your online business. Here you go. We're giving you the leads. Go out there and nurture them and work with them consistently and see if you can develop your system to making some sales as well. So we do weekly updates on this, so please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You'll know when we put a new video in, and you can look for these weekly updates for this system. Until next time, have a great day.